here for, boys? What's up, guys? It's Texas Outdoors here, back with another video. Before we get into this one, I kind of want to explain what's going on. So this will be our second year doing it. It's the DMP Pin program, and basically it's just a program to enhance the genetics in your high fence place. So basically what it is they come out there on the helicopter and they catch 2 big bucks, and we have 2 10-acre pins, and they put a buck in each pin, and then they catch I think our goal was 20 does in each pen. I think we have 18 this year. They catch as many does as they can. They put them in each pen, and the deer stay in there from, I want to say, late October, and I think the longest they can be in there is 10 months, and then we let them go. So basically it's just a controlled environment to make sure that the best genes on your property are getting passed on at a good rate. And that's why they're in there with the 18 does this year. And it's a different kind of video than I usually upload, but it's a hectic one. You know, we're chasing this helicopter on ATVs, trying to hog tie deer and load them up and get them back to the pen. So I hope y'all stick with it, and y'all enjoy.